In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a child page in Confluence. Creating a clear page hierarchy in Confluence keeps your content organized and easy to find, and a child page is simply a page that lives under another page called the parent. We'll walk through the process from start to finish so you can confidently add structured documentation to your space. First, open the Confluence space where you want the child page to live. A space is the broader container for related content, so make sure you're in the right one for your team or project. Navigating to the correct space at the start prevents confusion later when you're trying to find your page. Next, go to the parent page that should contain your new child page. Think of this as choosing the folder before you create a file. Opening the parent page ensures the new page is automatically placed beneath it, keeping your hierarchy intact. If your site uses a left-hand sidebar, use that to locate and open the intended parent. Now click Create. You'll typically find this button near the top of the screen. Starting from the parent page and then clicking Create helps Confluence understand the relationship between the two pages. You'll be prompted to choose a blank page or a template. A blank page is perfect when you want complete control over structure. Templates are great when you need consistency. Things like meeting notes, product requirements, or decision logs come pre-formatted with useful sections. Pick the option that best matches your use case. Add a clear, descriptive title and begin writing your content. Good titles make pages easy to search and scan later. In the editor, you can structure information with headings, bullet lists, images, and tables to keep it readable. If you're using a template, customize the placeholder sections so they reflect your actual content. Confluence typically autosaves as you type, which is helpful while you draft. When your content looks good, publish the page. Publishing makes the page visible to others who have access to the space. And if you want to double check formatting before it goes live, take a moment to scan the page in the editor to ensure headings, links, and images look right. Finally, check the sidebar to confirm the child page appears under the parent page. You should see your new page nested directly beneath the parent, which visually confirms the relationship. This organized structure makes navigation intuitive for your teammates and keeps related information grouped together. And that's it. You've created a child page in Confluence, kept your content organized, and made it easier for everyone to find what they need.